late train, empty car, my window breathing your name in the fog, then slowly leaving. Blue signs smear and slide like quiet sirens. My mind running back to what we silenced. It's like there's glass between us. I see your mouth move, you're nothing at all. Reach out, my hand just freezes so close to your skin. Still watching you fall. We're touching through a distance I cannot break through. Can shatter this view. It's like there's glass between us, glass between me and you. Missed calls stacking up like little warnings. White walls staring back on restless mornings. You sleep on the side we never mentioned. I keep every word I should have questioned. It's like there's glass between us. I see your mouth move, you're nothing at all. Reach out, my hand just freezes so close to your skin. Still watching you fall. We're touching through a distance I cannot break through. Can shatter this view. It's like there's glass between us, glass between me and you. If I spoke your secrets soft under my breath, would it crack the quiet or just echo in my chest? If you turn to meet me, would your eyes still look away? Or would the dark around us finally fade to gray? It's like there's glass between us. I see your mouth move, you're nothing at all. Reach out, my hand just freezes so close to your skin. Still watching you fall. We're touching through a distance I cannot break through. Can shatter this view. It's like there's glass between us, glass between me and you. Empty platform, last train's gone. Neon timetable keeps ticking on. Phone in my hand, your name unsent. Every vibration feels like a hint. I'm just a midnight passenger riding through the dark of us, watching all the almost words fade into the window dust. If you ever think of calling, let it echo through the silence first. I'll be this midnight passenger, tracing every shadow, every hurt. Talk to my reflection like it's a home. I'm just a midnight passenger riding through the dark of us, watching all the almost words fade into the window dust. If you ever think of calling, let it echo through the silence first. I will be this midnight passenger, tracing every shadow, every hurt. Maybe we were just two lines crossing in a quiet night. Parallel in different lives, still moving under the same sky. I'm just a midnight passenger riding through the dark of us, watching all the almost words fade into the window dust. If you ever think of calling, let it echo through the silence first. I'll be this midnight passenger, drifting through the dark of what we were. Empty road, hands on the wheel, but I drive too slow. City's gone, just the glow on the dash and the radio low. You were here in the print of my coat on your side of the seat. Still I hear every word that you said circling on repeat. Midnight echoes calling me back to you. Every shadow holds the shape we grew into. I'm wide awake in this quiet room, haunted by the thought of you. Midnight echo, whisper that you feel it too. Whisper that you feel it too. Half a glass, lipstick mark that I never wiped away. Fading laugh in a room that remembers better days. Phone face down, but it lights like a pulse every time I breathe. Say your name, and it hangs in the air, then it sinks with me. Midnight echo calling me back to you. Every shadow holds the shape we grew into. I'm wide awake in this quiet room, haunted by the thought of you. Midnight echo. Traffic hums somewhere far, empty streets, just us and tar, breathing in cold air and smoke. You say my name like a quiet joke. Under the overpass, time slows down. You're looking right through me. I don't make a sound. If this is goodbye, don't say it out loud. Let it hang in the dark like a low, low cloud. Under the overpass, hearts too proud to break, to bend, to speak it now. Billboard glow on your face makes you look like you're out of place. Your hand flinches, almost mine, then pulls back into your coat in the winter spine. Under the overpass, time slows down. You're looking right through me. I don't make a sound. If this is goodbye, don't say it out loud. Let it hang in the dark like a low, low cloud. Under the overpass, hearts too proud to break, to bend, to speak it now. Maybe we circle the same old wound, round and around in the same half moon. If you walk first, I'll stay still. If you stay here, I know I will. I know I will. Under the overpass, time slows down. You're looking right through me. I don't make a sound. If this is goodbye, don't say it out loud. Let it hang in the dark like a low, low cloud. Under the overpass, hearts too proud to break, to bend, to speak it now. Empty road at 2 a.m. Your name glowing on my screen. Thought I blocked that part of me. Guess the dark knows what I mean. Coffee cup on the dash, lipstick print I never wipe. Every turn a photograph, every thought a flashing light. You're in my midnight echoes, calling through the undertow. Quiet like a secret, heavy like a storm. I know I hear your voice in shadows, soft and low. It pulls me close. I'm drifting through these echoes, letting go, but never letting go. Street signs blur and bend. I rehearse what I won't say. Every maybe, every when fades as night eats up the day. I could turn this car around, drive straight back into the past, but the silence in your house would still be louder than it was. You're in my midnight echoes, calling through the undertow. Quiet like a secret, heavy like a storm. I Still my heart keeps tracing outlines of a future that was never really here. You're in my midnight echoes, calling through the undertow. Quiet like a secret, heavy like a storm. I know I hear your voice in shadow, soft and low. It pulls me close. I'm drifting through these echoes, letting go, but never letting go. Last train gone, empty station glass and chrome. Your name on my tongue, but my mouth stays closed. Street sign hung, blue haze on the river stone. Read your message again, like it might change the end. Underneath the violet sky, I replay the night we said goodbye. Every word, every heavy truth lie. You're a ghost in the corner of my eye. If I reach, will you pass me by? Underneath the violet sky, cold night air, hands in my coat, still feeling yours. Slow breath there, fading in the fog of doors. Thought I knew how to walk away and not look back. Then your shadow moves, and every window made of black. Underneath the violet sky, I replay the night we said goodbye. Every word, every half-truth lie. You're a ghost in the corner of my eye. If I reach, will you pass me by? Underneath the violet sky, you are the quiet in my chaos. You are the ache that never sleeps. If I dissolve into the darkness, will you find me in the deep? Underneath the violet skies, I replay the night we said goodbye. Every word, every half truth lie. You're a ghost in the corner of my eye. If I reach, will you pass me by? Underneath the violet sky. fine, but your hands betray the quake. Empty glass, water on the floor. You laugh it off, but your eyes are asking more. I feel your midnight echoes calling from the quiet in your chest. Every word you never said hangs heavy in the air between us. Midnight echoes fading in a room that never sleeps. If I lean into the deep, will you let me hear the parts you keep? Slow breath, slow trace in every scar. You change the subject, switch the channel in your heart. Rain on stone, soft against the pain. You look away like you're scared to say my name. I feel your midnight echoes calling from the quiet in your chest. Every word you never said hangs heavy in the air between us. Midnight echoes fading in a room that never sleeps. If I lean into the deep, will you let me hear the parts you keep? You can lay your shadows on my skin. Oh, let the old storms finally roll in. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I feel midnight echoes calling from the quiet in your chest. Every word you never said hangs heavy in the air between us. Midnight echoes fading in a room that never sleeps. If I lean into the deep, will you let me hear the parts you keep? Empty streets at 3 a.m. Neon menus in the rain. Taxis drifting in the distance. I say your name under my breath. Hands in pockets, breathing steam. Cold glass where your face should be. Every window just reflections of the way we used to be. Meet me under the overpass where the dark runs slow and the cars flow past. Let the traffic paint our shadows on the wall. If this is all we're ever gonna have, hold me quiet while the city drags every broken little promise through the fog. Don't talk, just fall. Lights up, I let it fade. Half your message, half my blame. All our answers stuck in drafts, all our plans left in the past. You say someday like a prayer, I'm still tangled in your chair. Candle wax on coffee cups, can't remember who gave up. Meet me under the overpass where the dark runs slow and the cars float past. Let the traffic paint our shadows on the wall. If this is all we're ever gonna have, hold me quiet while the city drags every broken little promise through the fog. Don't talk, just fall. I don't need a second chance, I just need your second glance right here. Let the night erase our names, leave the rest, let it fade. Meet me under the overpass where the dark runs slow and the cars float past. Let the traffic paint our shadows on the wall. If this is all we're ever gonna have, hold me quiet while the city drags every broken little promise through the fog. Don't talk, just fall. Trace circles on the glass by my window. Name your fears like constellations in the dark. You pass softly, would you miss me if I let go? I say nothing, but my heartbeat hits its mark. Every word hangs heavy in the quiet, every breath too loud in this room. If I move, will it break the fragile silence or pull you closer like I always do? Stay in my midnight echoes, fade in my wavering light. Hold me on edges of almost, right on the border of goodbye. Leave if you need to, but linger for one more sight. Stay in my midnight echoes, haunting the corners of my mind. Your shirt hanging on the back of the chair still smells like summer in the middle of this rain. You say maybe we were better as a near miss. I laugh softly so you don't hear the ache. Every truth gets tangled in your whisper, every glance keeps pulling me through. If you turn, will the distance get much bigger? Or will you finally let me fall into you? Stay in my midnight echoes, fade in my wavering light. Hold me on edges of almost, right on the border of goodbye. Leave if the shadows.